Hey guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to scroll with your eyes on iPhone iOS 18. So if you're an iPhone user in the iOS 18, Apple introduces an innovative way, guys, to interact with your device, which is scrolling with your eyes. So this feature basically makes it easy, super easy to browse through content without even touching your screen, guys. So here's how you do this, okay? So first things first, what you do is you open up the settings app. So start by unlocking your iPhone and opening up the settings app. Then what you're going to do, guys, is you want to go to accessibility. So scroll down, tap on accessibility, and then under the physical and motor section, you want to tap on the eye tracking. Okay, tap on eye tracking and make sure it's on. And then once eye tracking is enabled, what you want to do is you want to toggle the eye control option on. And then in the eye control menu, you want to ensure that scroll is selected. Okay, make sure that is selected. This will basically activate the ability to scroll through your device with your eyes. And of course, what you can do is you can calibrate for best performance. So just follow the on-screen instructions to calibrate the eye tracking for optimal accuracy. They'll ask you to look at certain points, which will help you calibrate this feature. And now, guys, as you look at the screen, you can use your eyes to control the scrolling motion. Just glance up or down, on the screen, and the page will scroll accordingly. And it's that easy, guys, to scroll with your eyes on your iPhone iOS 18. So I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, guys, consider smashing the like button as well as subscribing to frequently asked questions, and I'll see you in the next one.